Today, me and my friend will be spawn fishing my favorite pond.
Got one! Got one! Sir, caught it right up on the bank. No? Really? Dang, it was definitely a fish. Gosh. Yeah, what do you think? About a pound? Maybe two? So do I. There's no real point. All right, first fish of the day at the Beaver Slide spot. Let's see if we can get Aiden one. I'm just kidding. Got one. Oh, it's a dink. Yeah. Oh. Look at that. He's, yeah, look at him. Oh my gosh, I got another one. Oh. Oh my, what happened to this guy? Yo, look at this. Oh wow. I caught all three of the fish right there, right in those branches.
You want me to cast it straight out?
Yeah, cast it like straight out in front of you. Where was it? Where was it at?
Like 3 inches from my boot.
This was the snake that tried to bite him.
Second cast, too. That was crazy.
You had one first cast and the second.
Holy, dude, I'm like shaking. That scared me. I mean, he literally jumped out the water.
Let's see if we can get him back.
I wish I would have had the GoPro on me.
Yeah, that would have been something. Definitely would have added that to the video.
I had one. And
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, this is.
Dude, I'm telling you, that is exactly.
Gosh, that scared me.
I know, that's exactly.
Oh, chill out, buddy. Yo, it's a good sized fish. Oh, this is it's a good fish. All right, set him free. Let's catch him again.
Are you slow rolling it or hit it fast?
Slow. See, yeah, cast it right through these branches right here. Yo.
That's so crazy how it's the same thing.
That was like my first cast in this spot.
If I don't catch it,
might have to stay over here for a while.
I think it was just on there.
Sounds like a Hellcat at first. Got
One of my Bass Pro Rods sounds like a DC. I
Really?
don't know why, but I think it's just the grade on it.
Is it like waterlogged or just...
I just cast it and it goes. But it smells like a bad sound, like. It's like
Oh, I don't know what. Just I might have been hung up or something. But...
look like.
Oh, I just got bit. Oh no. Oh, I could have.
Oh my God! I just had a nice bite.
I just had one too. Dude, I
Dude,
set the hook.
Seriously, look right here.
No, I accidentally set the hook because I was.
He went.
Oh, oh my gosh! I have one. Oh.
Golly.
I'm slaying him, man.
That's a pretty fish.
I know. That's some good colors. Hello, Mark. Let's put him on the scale. He's kind of fat. 2.1. 2.1. Okay, I thought I did it. Yo. Oh God.
Dude, that is so crazy.
Oh, it's a little dang.
That's crazy.
Oh my God. Oh, we almost got it.
Nice. Get a good release. Nice little ding. Dude, face wide open.
You wanna switch rods? Let's go. You got one. Don't lose them, man. Hey, there you go.
Finally. Perfect hooks it. Oh my. Dude, look at this hook.
Put a hole through his mouth.
Look, it was right there. It was-
Oh, dang. Looks like it might have already been caught before. Yep.
Why is it this spot? We always get wet.
I know. There you go. Sweet.
We had a crazy day fishing this pond, and we'll see you next time.